Here's a great deal on a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.